Hey guys, to have a mystery item I bought off of eBay. I think it was like $8, and the guy sent it in this little pack. So it's a Surell Memphis Little Rock knife. I know it doesn't look like a knife. Obviously it looks like it's made in the USA. It is an old style knife, and I'll show you guys how to open it. So you pull on this right here, and it releases the knife, and then you slide it, and there you go. Here's your knife. Let's see how sharp it is. I got a piece of wood. That's pretty sharp for being such a little thing, and obviously being old, because it's, you know, it says here Little Rock, Memphis Little Rock. I can't really tell what that says here. So maybe it says made in or something like that. I'm not sure. And to close it, same thing. You pull this up, let it slide, and there you go. So I really like this one. There were two there, and I was hoping to get one of them. I actually got this one. The other one was a little different, but I'm really glad I got this guy right here. Check him out. I believe there's still a few there on eBay. So it's nice. I really like the design, how it opens, slides, and closes. How you open it, it slides down, and you close it. So overall, I really like it. Like I said, check it on eBay. There still should be a few there. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.